So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable data switching on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to select the option Connections. Under Connections, tap on SIM Manager, and then from here, you want to scroll until you find Data Switching. So you'll notice a toggle next to it. If you ever want to enable this feature, just tap on this toggle once and it will be turned on. So with this feature enabled, it now means that your phone will automatically switch between your SIM cards whenever it comes to mobile data connectivity issues. So if you're in an area where your default SIM card doesn't have a good connection to the internet, then it will automatically switch to the next SIM card so that you have no interruptions whenever it comes to browsing or doing whatever it is you're doing online. However, if you want to turn it off simply because you don't want additional data charges or you just no longer need to use this feature, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. And so it's up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.